Hello everyone and welcome back to my final daily report market video with me, Richard Market Analyst at Hantec on Friday 24th of May. Let's have a look at gold, where we've seen a sharp move to the upside. Now this is interesting because normally what we have seen previously is that these moves do not tend to last especially long. So it'll be very interesting to see how the bulls respond to this. But the most important thing is, if I zoom back out, you can see this 9-month uptrend again coming in as a basis of support, holding ground. So that's interesting. We've seen a ticking higher on the stochastics, MACD lines and RSI. So that's again a positive. But what we will be looking out for is how the response comes to this succession of lower highs, 1324, 1310, 1303. And now how we see this market responding here. Is it going to be another rally that just dissipates, where the corrective momentum of the medium-term outlook remains in place? Because I think rallies, certainly in the last few months, have been treated as a chance to sell. This move in the last couple of weeks was a prime example of that, where you saw a move back to 1300, big pivot line resistance, and then used as a chance to sell. We've seen the move initially to yesterday. Again, it's not really following through, not really finding that continued traction recovery. However, you look at the fact that we're trading above 1278, which on the hourly chart, sorry, messing around with my charts here, around 1278, that was the pivot, and again that would now become supportive. So holding above 1278 is encouraging, but it needs to get above 1289. That was an old resistance that again is in place, and then you need to see above 1300, because to be honest, as I said previously, all these near-term rallies have been sold off in the subsequent days after. So we need to see this move continuing. Posting a positive candle today would be certainly helpful for the positive outlook potentially. But I would hasten to add that there is still a corrective configuration across momentum indicators, and there's still this run of lower highs. So this is a very much into a little bit of a near-term recovery phase, but it needs to continue and it needs to really build on this move. And at the moment, I'm not convinced. I'm still thinking that we're going to see another lower high in place, and then further challenging on that long-term uptrend, because that is basically the corrective outlook I think is still in force. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again next time.